Hello fabulous ladies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a video dedicated to one of the most versatile wardrobe staples we own, jeans. But we're not just talking about everyday casual jeans. Instead, we'll be exploring how to style them in a classy and demure way, perfect for the 40+ women who want to look polished and feel confident. I'll be showcasing 12 chic outfit ideas using black, gray, and blue jeans, and also incorporating timeless pieces like blazers, silk shirts, heels, and structured bags. I'll also share tips on how to accessorize and layer to elevate your denim outfits. Each look is perfect for various occasions, from brunches, business casual meetings, evening outings, and weekend runs. So let's jump right in. Let us start with this polished and modern look. The wide leg blue jeans create a flattering silhouette, and the fitted white body top balances the volume on the bottom. The long line black waistcoat adds structure and sophistication, while the black heels and matching bag complete the ensemble. This is perfect for casual days or a coffee date with friends. And on to the second outfit. This outfit is a great example of mixing warm and neutral tones. The camel blazer is a standout piece that elevates the classic combination of blue jeans and a crisp white shirt. The orange shoes add a playful yet chic pop of color, while the white bag keeps it fresh and balanced. This look is great for lunch meetings or a stylish brunch with friends. For a sleek and modern vibe, I've styled black jeans with a white button-down shirt and layered on a striped black vest for added dimension. I paired the ensemble with silver heels to inject a touch of glam, while the black bag ties everything together. This outfit is ideal for semi-formal dinners or gallery openings where you want to stand out subtly. For outfit number 4, bold yet refined. This outfit is perfect for those who love a touch of color. The striped red shirt pairs beautifully with blue jeans, creating a vibrant yet elegant look. The white heels and the red bag tie the outfit together with a polished finish. You can wear this outfit for a casual dinner or even a day out shopping. The next look is this monochrome inspired outfit, which exudes understated elegance. The wide leg jeans create a sophisticated silhouette, while the black shirt adds contrast. The black sunglasses and heeled sandals make it effortlessly chic. This look works well for running errands or even a casual work setting. This next look is a mix of classic and trendy. The outfit pairs blue jeans with a white shirt and a sharp black blazer. The black cap adds a playful and modern twist, while the black heels and the white bag keep it sophisticated. You can wear this outfit for weekend outings or for casual Fridays at work. Next look, for a polished earthy vibe, I've paired blue jeans with a navy blue shirt, brown heels, and a matching brown bag to create a cohesive and grounded look. This outfit is perfect for daytime events such as lunch with friends, a movie date, and the like. Here's a fresh, crisp look featuring blue striped shirt, white heels, and a matching white bag to brighten up the outfit. This look is ideal for casual office days, outdoor gatherings, or even brunch or lunch with friends. Outfit number 9. This outfit leans into neutrals with a nude body top and matching heels, contrasted beautifully by a navy blue blazer. The result is refined and polished, perfect for a professional setting or a dinner date. I've also added gold accessories to enhance the look further. Next look, a long gilet is a perfect layering piece to add drama to a simple outfit. I've styled it with a classic white shirt and nude heels for a demure and elegant vibe. I've added a gold neck piece to add a touch of sparkle. This look is great for church or a business casual meeting. Then we have a luxurious combination with a silk blue shirt and matching court shoes. The LV bag adds a touch of designer elegance, making this outfit ideal for formal lunches or high-end events. The silky textures and monochromatic tones scream sophistication. This outfit is perfect for formal lunches or upscale events. For our final look, we are pairing grey jeans with a sleek black body top for a modern and streamlined base, while the black blazer adds structure and polish. The red heels inject a vibrant pop of color, making the look stand out, and the black earrings provide a touch of elegance. This look is perfect for a business casual dinner or an evening out, and it proves that a single bold accessory can elevate a neutral ensemble. And there you have it, 12 ways to style jeans elegantly and make them work for different occasions. Whether you're heading to work, enjoying casual settings, or a more formal event, these outfits prove that jeans can be elevated with the right pairings and accessories. I hope you found the inspiration to try out some of these looks with the jeans you already own. Let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite, or if you have any go-to way to style jeans. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves classy fashion. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.